Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can customize Dawn theme in Shopify, and it will be a complete beginner video. I will try my best to break down step by step procedure throughout the video. So fix your eyes on the video, and without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already in our dashboard panel. It's called admin panel also. So here, as you can see, we are on this platform, and if you want to watch the front end design, so you can watch it through these options. Here you can see we are using refresh theme right now, so we will shift or move ourselves into the Dawn theme right now. So how we can do it? The process is really simple. You just need to come back on the Shopify admin panel. Once you come over here, then you just need to click on online store. Underneath the online store, you will get options called themes, and here you can see we can change our theme from that place. And here in the theme library, you can see our Dawn theme already installed. Now we are allowed to publish it in our Shopify store, and we can change our theme. Like our current theme is refresh, and we are going to introduce our Dawn theme instead of this one. Just click on publish. Once you click over here publish, then you just need to click on publish again, and now here eventually you can see our Dawn theme has been installed over here. So let's come back to this panel and let's refresh it. As you can see, when we refresh, it does not happen. So here we just need to wait a bit, because sometimes it takes a while to complete the process. So let's go and let's try to view it again, and eventually you can see our theme has been changed and the whole design has been shifted to a new one. So our main goal was how we can customize our Dawn theme in Shopify. So here it is also a simple one. As you can see, you just need to click on this online store and then come to the themes, and here you will get options called customize in the right corner. You just need to click over here customize. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the new page where you can allow to customize all the theme over here, and you will get all the access in left and right corner. So let's dive into the main goal, that is here you can see it. So here in the left corner you can see we have a tab where we are getting options called sections, then theme setting, and another one is app embedded. So if I click on app embedded, you can see the WhatsApp widget has been enabled. Then if I click on theme setting, it means here we can change the logo, then we can change the color scheme. As you can see, our color scheme right now, if I select this one, it will be automatically select on here. So we just need to work on this one. It is the main thing. So here you can see we have an announcement bar over here. So this is the announcement bar. If you want to hide it, just click over here, and now you can check this out that our announcement bar has finished. So here again let's insert it and it will be visible again. So if you want to change the color scheme, you just need to select the color scheme from this right corner panel. In the announcement bar section on the right corner, you can see there is a couple of options like auto rotate announcement, then change every, then color scheme, and separated line. So here you can select any of them. Let's select this one, and eventually you can see that our color scheme has been changed, and in this way you can change whatever color you want. Then you can see there is a couple of additional options we have, that is utilities, and in this section we have some options called appear only large screen. It will appear in mobile, not in the mobile phone. It will appear in large screens. It means the computer, desktop, laptop. So here you can see you just need to enable this one. Once you enable it, here you can see we have the change over that place. You just need to click on this manage social account. Just click over here manage social accounts. Once you click over here, then you will see some changes on the left corner. Just click on learn more about theme setting. Just click over here, then they will give you a description. If you read it, then you will get proper idea to customize the theme by reading this. So you can watch the video to know furthermore about the information. Here you can see if you want to change couple of things. Let's go and click on this one. announcement bar, and let's click on manage social icons, and here you will get the social media options. If you add something like youtube.com, and let's see, you will get a result. Here you can see that is the change, and you just need to be explore it to get know more about these options. There is a couple of great options we have. We just need to be know about the features, then we are allowed to use it in our website easily. So now here, let's come back to this one. So here you can see we have only 3 or 4 sections, like this one, then menu bar, then this home section, and this is the feature product. So if you want to add further more section, how you can do it? The process is really simple. In fact, you just need to be come back into the left corner and then click on add section. Once you click over here, then here you will get these options to add some of these sections. Then apps also we have. So you can only add many things in your template section. Here you can see the template section. Underneath the template section, we have 2 options called image banner. What is the image banner? Image banner is this one. As you can see, this one is the image banner. If you want to do any edit, you can do it. If you just need to be select this one, once you select over here, then you will get these options on the right corner, and you can change it as it you wish. Then if you just select heading, then you are allowed to change this heading also. Then let's go image banner again, and here you can see their alignment. If you change it, you will see the changes on this image banner option. So let's click on add section. Like I want to add some other section in this page, so I will click on add section, and now you can see we have couple of elements over here. As you can see, we have feature collection, feature product, then collection list, rich text option, then image with text. And let's click one of them. So here you can see our image has been select, and if you want to change the image, you just need to be select this one, like text, image with text. And now here you can see that the options called select, and you are allowed to change it your image from that place. So let's upload a couple of images from that place. So I think this may be a good one, good choice for us. It will take a while to upload, so we need to be wait a bit. In fact, when it will be uploaded, then just need to click on done, and here you can see our image has been changed. So in this way you can change each and every elements in this page. So this is really simple and easy task. So you can do your editing from this option like this way. Just click on shut. If you want to customize this one, you are allowed to customize it, and the procedure is totally the same like previous one. So I hope you understand how easy the process was to like customize a Dawn theme in Shopify. So now you can easily do it your own thing, and you can create a great design on your Shopify website. So if you have any question related to this video, then ask me on the comment box. I am appreciate you to ask the question. I will try my best to give all the answer as fast as possible. Thanks you to watch the video. Let's wrap up the video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button.